Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your VIVO X300. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels. So let's start off with unlocking the device. Now let's move on to the settings. And right here in the settings, we need to go to the sound and vibration. Now here, as you guys can see, my levels are okay, so there's no way I do not have a sound. Now if you don't, then what you guys can do is try brushing the speaker grooves. So the first one is actually up here, and we also have one at the bottom. So we want to clean them thoroughly using the soft brush or anything else to get rid of any dust that may have accommodated there. So now what you guys can do is disable the Bluetooth. So as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is already disabled, but if yours isn't, then you will see a blue switch instead of a gray switch. So you want it to be the gray switch to disable the Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So for an example, headphones, car, or practically anything Bluetooth related. Now what you guys can do as a last resort is restart the phone and then update your software. So we're gonna start off with the restart. Let's press the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe right to restart the device, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, if we want to check for software updates, all we have to do is enter the settings first. Then we need to scroll all the way down until we see the system update, and as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. I have the latest version, but if you don't, then you will see a button here to download the newest one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.